How to fix your Windows license will expire soon error on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you effective methods to resolve Windows activation and licensing errors on your computer. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Next, type Settings in the search bar and press Enter. Following that, the Settings window will open on your screen. Now, click on System in the left sidebar menu. Moving forward, scroll down and click on Activation. Afterwards, you'll see your current Windows activation status. In addition to that, click on Troubleshoot under the activation status. Once the troubleshooter opens, it will scan for activation issues automatically. Subsequently, follow any on-screen instructions provided by the troubleshooter. Moreover, wait for the process to complete and check if the issue is resolved. Afterwards, if the problem persists, try reactivating Windows manually. Then, in the same activation page, click on Change Product Key. Within this section, enter your valid Windows 11 product key. Alternatively, you can find your product key on the Certificate of Authenticity. Once you've entered the key, click on Next to activate Windows. Then, wait for Windows to verify and activate your license. Afterwards, if you don't have a product key, try using Command Prompt. Then, press the Windows key and type CMD in the search bar. Moreover, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Afterwards, click on Yes when the User Account Control prompt appears. Then type the following command: slmgr/rearm and press Enter. Within this section, this command will reset the Windows licensing state. Alternatively, wait for the confirmation message that the command succeeded. Once completed, restart your computer to apply the changes. Then, after restart, press Windows key plus R to open Run dialog. Afterwards, type slmgr/ato and press Enter to force activation. Then, Windows will attempt to activate your license with Microsoft servers. Moreover, you can also check activation status by typing slmgr/xpr and pressing Enter. Afterwards, a pop-up will show whether Windows is permanently activated. Then, your Windows license expiration error should now be resolved. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix your Windows license will expire soon error on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.